Hi guys, how to play YouTube online video in MX Player? Yes, play. My name is Alex Putty. Have you ever wondered about you play the video in MX Player? Everyone love the music, then there are the many how the like and watch likes show the comedy movies and so and they are all looking on the accepting you have a high quality of the massive and features high future there are the many videos player applications available in the market VLC Cortical Play Window Media Player. However, MX Player is a mostly used Android mobiles. Mostly of the have the question that is it the possible to stream YouTube or online video on MX Player. Here we provide you the answer to the question. If you are also searching where to the play MX Player, then the follow the button guide. Okay, let's it go to the topic. MX Media Media Player. Max Player. Max Player. Yes, this was a Max Player. This is a sign of MX Player. Is it? Now, MX Player. MX Player. MX Player is a great offline online video players application. It is very popular. It is very popular application. Better the performance of the clearance. It is sports running the popular of the file formats in it. You have a high quality streams contacts and you can easily integrate. This is a structure of MX Player. It is a very convenient to use. Any new person can MX Player effectively. You can watch any language, any translation, movies. MX Player free. MX Player is a powerful video player. MX Player is a powerful video player. Advanced hard acceleration and stability of the sport. Hardware acceleration with the help of the new HW plus Decode is likely to use the additional videos. MX Player is the firstly Android. MX Player is the firstly Android mobile. The decoding to the performance and dual core device and 70% better than the single core devices. The MX Player is available all type devices. It the millions of the active daily users across the globe. Here are the complete post of the play online video on MX Player. Why we need your in this MX Player in your life? You can see this the reviews of the MX Player and person clients. The video can easily for zoom, pinch, frame, and screenshot, zoom in the plane, available of the options. You can scroll the forward and backward to move what next previous text. Third one, we can zoom in or out, the change text size, up and down, move and text up the down. Fourth one, it is used to instantly TV and many TV episodes and movies for like us. Fifth, you can browse through the growing selections and the thousands of the movies and web series, TV shows originally. Sorry, my internet issue. He just search screaming and the individually of the screaming. This pattern of the MX player. How to play online videos or MX player. Your facility MX player is the provide the facilities of the gaming options, steps of the enable of the network streaming of the media. MX player, first of all you need to open the actually YouTube app and upload the video. This is a desktop. uh, Upload the video you want. When you loaded the video, click share the button URL. After the copying option mobile browser and go to the clip counter. You have must paste your copy links, give the file. Click on the menu icon top bar next of the search of then the selection network streaming. Further related research of the MX player. My related search of the MX player is how to play YouTube video in MX player, how to play YouTube downloaded videos in MX player. Third, MX player downloaded file APK. Fourth, MX player for PC. Fifth, how to play online video in MX player. Sixth, how to play YouTube offline videos and other players. Third, how to play the games in MX player. Thank you so much for guys for watching my videos, and please subscribe the button and bell icon. This is your Alex Bertie, and thank you. Enough today.